What's up, nail crew? I am so excited for the very first video of the nail fails and fixes series. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how often I mess up my nails and then have to figure out a way to fix them. And I feel like so many of us can relate that we make these mistakes when we're doing our nails, and then how do you go about fixing them? This very first tutorial, I'm going to show you how I tried to first do a design with dip powder liquids, and that definitely was not working. My fingers just did not want to do what I thought it was going to do. I was trying to do this like really cool swirl that I did, oh my gosh, probably a year ago, and I don't know what was wrong with my hands. They just didn't want to work. So I ended up trying to do it. I thought, okay, I'll just try to do an ombre, and then I realized, yep, did that wrong too. By the time I realized it, it was too late, so I went with it. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm dipping the two colors, Show Me the Magic and Cannot Stop It from OG Dip Powder. And you'll see here that I'm doing 2 dips of the solid, Show Me the Magic, and it's a beautiful pinkish purple color. I'm terrible at describing colors. So I did 2 dips of that, and then I thought, okay, I can do a really fun design using dip powder liquids. I like to have most of my mani done before I do designs on my nails. So I went through and I dipped the glitter, and it's a smaller glitter. So I wanted to finish that first. You guys can see I like to trace around my cuticles, whether I'm doing solid or glitters. Okay, now here's where I started trying to do my design. I wanted to do like a swirl S, and my fingers, I just couldn't figure out how to move my hands, move my fingers, so I thought, forget it. I can do an ombre. I know how to do ombre. But what I was forgetting was that this is smaller glitter. So when you're doing an ombre for smaller glitter, you don't want to do what I did. You don't want to start by tapping unless you want to do 2 layers of the glitter, which I totally forgot about. I thought, oh, I'm just gonna tap this in and it'll be fine, forgetting that it's small glitter. So you can see I go around my cuticle here, and I thought, okay, like the coverage doesn't look great. So I go and I try to like dip my hand on the side into the glitter, and it looked like, all right, it picked up a good amount, so I should be fine. Then I went and I put my clear over, and I thought, oh, this is looking a little more see-through than I thought. So I activated. I thought, all right, too late, I'm going for it. I really thought about filing the ombre off and starting over, but then I remembered we're just all here doing our nails for fun at home. Check out this next video to learn more about working with chunky glitters. Drop any questions you have below. Thanks, nail crew.